Computer mouse for easily navigating a computer interface, click, scroll, and more. Includes a USB-connected wired black mouse with 3 buttons for effortless fingertip control. High definition, 1000 dpi. Optical tracking ensures responsive cursor control for precise tracking and easy text selection. Plug and go, ready for instant use. Compatible with Windows and Mac OS. Note: the provided connector is USB-A. If existing device only supports USB-C, an additional adapter will be required. Ships in certified frustration-free packaging. Product dimensions: 4. 3 by 2. 4 by 1. 4 inches, LxWxH, with 4. 9-foot cable. Top reviews from the United States. Most comfortable mouse among my collection. I have purchased mouse often, changing model or style, cheapest to expensive. Somehow no mouse could satisfy me, and after years of intense computer work I reached a conclusion: no mouse will work well for me. Some models were big, heavy, difficult to click with little effort, required often cleaning, would not work well on certain mouse pads. No single model felt well in my hand. After years on different jobs I stopped paying attention. Mouse become part of hardship at work, something I did not care anymore. After years a moment arrived: I needed a quiet mouse, positively quiet. So clicking and moving mouse will not add to sound. I apply for testing microphones. Start testing, 1 click. A moment later stop testing, 2nd click. I noticed some mouse clicks were too loud for my measurements, changed microphone plots. I had to work with louder test setup or obtain quieter mouse. Changing mousepad did not make things better for each mouse model I investigated. So a few years ago in desperation I purchased some fancy, expensive models and very cheap, generic models. I put all mice to testing, without labeling them, to avoid any bias. I quickly rejected most fancy models. Some elegant white finish mouse was just no good for me. 2 models performed best, and one of them is my favorite now, Amazon Basics. After a few years I confirmed this model worked for me, and all test benches at work liked it for being quiet. I purchased 5 more. This mouse here, Amazon Basics, really works best for me. Least effort needed to click. Mouse felt perfect in my hand, ergonomic to my hand that is rather medium-sized towards small. Clicks sound is acceptable to my measurements. Performance is equally quiet on mousepad, on plain table surface, and on randomly picked surfaces near always overcrowded test benches. Mouse moves steadily on each surface. It is always reliable. I use many computer models, USB port flavors, Windows from 7 to 11. This mouse always works just when plugged. I never had compatibility issue. I used it also on dusty table surface, never a problem. Most critical task for me is designing of layout for electronics components with size between 1 mm and 0.1 mm, where I need big zoom on the screen and mouse needs to use its high end of resolution. No problem here, very smooth operation as always. Mouse is lightweight. Usually lightweight I associate with cheap plastics products. Not such perception here, due to my comfort and proven performance.